This is a national emergency. A big Hanna storm is coming near San Antonio, Texas. It is also coming near Bell County, downtown San Antonio. TX dot stands for Texas. We repeat this again. This is a national emergency. The alert headquarters are reminding you, listen to the following instructions. 1. Turn off your TV. 2. Take cover in a closet or somewhere. 3. If the wind gets too bad, then immediately start digging in your backyard and try your best to go underground. And bring food if you, toys, games, your phones, anything you need, but just go underground if the wind gets too bad.
Whoa!
Southwest Suffolk, Northeast Suffolk, and Southeast Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued
The National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning for the following countries/areas: Lizard Islands, Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico until further notice. All citizens must have your hurricane support